In front of me is nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, tap on Apps, select the default apps over here and click on Home app. Now click on Launcher Pro, hit Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, just enter Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go back to Devices Settings and click on Nothing Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!